What kind of life is this? Udendo gini bunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiabawa mochimo ebekino. Arere jugo mobi obiabarugo chimo biwa. Onye kam gakoro chimo matara mosenye maka. Obi eterigo onwe isi onye nji aka bịanụ. Chimo, where are you? Ewo. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Ọmọ wojú siri manya. God, where are you? Ebe kange. Where are you? Onye ka ebekino. Onye ga-enyere m aka n'iju ụwa m, ewu iju ụwa m. Elu erughị m aka, ala erughị m aka, ejighị m nwa m aka. I'm confused. Who can tell me what to do? Ino, chinwo mwenye bia, matara mosenye maka. What kind of life is this? Odendo gini bunka. Oh, God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Please come to my aid. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Oh, God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino.
Hey, Alhaji Musa, what is your problem? Have you supplied the alibasa, the onions I asked you to supply for me? Alhaji Ibrahim, ya kana haka. What is this? If it's the money, no problem. Well, later, like first thing tomorrow morning, as I bring the money cash to office, why? To no problem. Okay, you are calling me later. Wait. Yo. Hey, sweet Nadia. Yeah, Kiki. How are you?
Fine.
So no problem. So no time. Let us go to the matter.
Thank you.
Just call me Cleopatra. Cleopatra. I'm Cleopatra.
You. Hi, Ania, you are very, very sweet.
Baby.
Oh, say a chill, say. Hi.
Haji,
You know,
I should be leaving now.
so no problem, no problem.
Alhaji. Alhaji.
You know why I give you plenty body? Because you are very, very sweet for life. When you take it easy, man. You want to kill me? When you, Allah. You want to kill me?
Alhaji, bye-bye.
So no problem, bye-bye. Hello, Alhaji Ibrahim. What's the problem? Well, I saw your missed call, 21 missed call. Menene ya faru? Okay, Alhaji Ibrahim, I told you that I am going to give you the money first thing tomorrow morning. Well, actually, I'm in a very, very important meeting. Wallahi.
What kind of life is this? Udendo kinibunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiamo chimo ebekino. Arere jogo mobi obiamo chimo bi. Onye kam gakoro.
Welcome, ma. Hey, wow. You people really did a wonderful job here. Nne, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Thank you.
So you can help your mother and walk.
Yes, ma.
You can You're a good girl. Eh? Aka. So you can help your mother. God bless you in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yeah. Nne, you must be proud of her.
I am proud. She's the best thing to ever happen to me.
Hey, thank you very much. Continue to help your mother. People really try.
It's complete.
Thank you. I brought food for you people. You should eat fast so that I can go with my plate, yeah? Eat fast, so that I can go with the plate.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We actually prefer to eat in our house so that we can eat some portion and leave some for later in the night. So if you don't mind, can we return the plate to you tomorrow, please?
No problem.
Thank you. God bless you.
Take care of her.
Yes.
Take care of your mother
will.
too. Be a good girl. Eh? Now, Bali, no go. God bless you. Oh?
Bless you too, ma. God bless you too. Ify, do you want to eat first, then take your bath? Or do you want to bath, then eat?
I'm so hungry, mother, but no, it's good manners to bathe before eating.
That's correct. But I figured you would be so hungry after all that work at the farm. So let's eat, then you bath later.
So, were you people planning to eat?
How did you get into my house? I'm very sure I locked this door before going out.
The thing is that I don't lock you out.
This is not your house, Ikem. Why do you delight in tormenting my innocent child and I? Why?
Like seriously? Nina, I have not even started and you are talking. Meanwhile, where is that food that you people were talking about? Kenya, where is that food you want to eat? Hey! Hey! Where is this thing? Give me! I go. Sir. Finish anybody. Anybody that tries to stop me, finish. Take. Let me just eat for peace to reign. Hi, Nina. Look at the type of food you people wanted to consume. Eh? Nina, why? If you eat this kind of food, onye yatazi akinagari, onye yatazi bread onku, onye yatazi abacha onku. Eh, it is not nice. This kind of food are made for people like us. So don't try this next time. Oh. Let me just eat for peace to reign. You know, you should know the food meant for poor people. Hi. If I didn't come to this place now, you would have been enjoying this kind of food. This is just being greedy for nothing. Wipe your tears now. Be happy. Wipe your tears and be happy, my dear.
Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing all these bad things to us? What have me and my mother ever done to deserve this?
Go on. Answer her. Tell my daughter why you are so unfair to helpless people like us.
Nena, you know this is a lie. I am just being helpful. I mean, I am the only friend you have in this whole world. When you see the man no war. When you see the man no war. And you don't know. What do you want, man? Eh?
Ike, please. Don't be our friend. We don't need your friendship. Please.
Look. Stop being dramatic. Eh? Find a table. Nena, I know you like night things. I know you like it in the night. So there's no problem. I will come back in the night. Ojena more. Don't worry, I'll come in the night. Eh? Asa! Asa!
Where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Inogo, I'm going to buy food. Eh? I'll be back very quickly so you eat.
It's alright, mommy, I'll wait. Come back fast.
It's okay.
Nah, man. All my veins stood up today while I was looking at him. Hey! Did you notice that?
When you see, I did now.
And then we have to pay her a surprise visit. I have to test those beautiful curves. I have to test them.
Commander-in-Chief. I'm no jiggy.
I have to go there.
Of course. She's all yours. You can do whatever you want to do with her, however you want to do it, wherever you even want to do it. Do it up, do it down, do it right, do it center. I will deal decisively with anyone who dares think otherwise. Joy.
What is here?
Ciao, ciao. Oh, you see? I can't deny you. Want you to?
This one you're seated here like this. I hope there's no problem. What is going on? Why are you sad? Where is your mother?
She went to buy food. That wicked uncle came here a few minutes ago and ate all our food.
Wicked uncle? Which wicked uncle?
The one that carries knife.
You mean Ikem was here? Ikem! What is it? She said Ikem came to this place and ate all your food.
Yes, but I bought another one.
Why? I am going to confront that Ikem.
No, there won't be any need for that. I already bought food for us.
I told you to come stay with me in my family house. You said no. And now you are endangering your life and that of your little girl. Why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? Why?
What kind of life
Ikem.
is this?
Ikem! I will deal with him in this village! I will deal with him!
God, where are you? Where are you? Ebeki.
I hope you did not enjoy it. As you can see, your mother has bought another food. You are going to eat now. Okay? I don't want you to cry. Here you go.
damn, I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it bigger. My name is Pain. I believe in making people cry. My name is Patra.
My baby, now only you be correct. You see those ones there, all of them are fake. Enter motor will go, my baby. Oh man, that's good. Oh, you look so fine. Baby.
I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it bigger. My name is Pain. I believe in making people cry. My name is Patra.
Yeah, baby. Okay.
Why are you parking?
Oh, come on, baby. I'm coming. Okay. I want to get something over the road from the pharmacy.
Something like what?
Something we used to bubble.
I don't get you. Like what? I don't get it.
Condom.
Condoms?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
Okay, baby. You're so fine. I love you. Come in.
I'm Cleopatra. Just call me Cleopatra. I don't give a damn, I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it bigger. My name is Pain. I believe in making people cry. My name is Patra.
Nai, my point is that you should find a place in your heart to forgive Nena. At least for the sake of our innocent child. Nai, please. Allow her go back to her father's house. They go through a lot of difficulties and pass too many challenges in that isolated hut they reside now. Nai, please, Picon, take them back home.
Obinna, you know it's not going to work because I have to respect the dead man's wish. I have to.
Nai,
it is not going to work.
Picon, listen to me. I know that by now her father must have forgiven her if death did not take him away. And you know that to err is human, but to forgive is divine. Bikon.
Yes, Obinna.
Nai, Bikon.
Obinna, you know what you do? Go to the father's grave. Dig that grave. Go inside there and meet him. And tell him to forgive Nena. And once he does that, I will forgive her and bring her back.
You know
but if that is not done, Obinna, you are wasting your time.
You know that is not possible, please.
Obinna, you are wasting your time.
Nai, please.
You are wasting your time.
They are suffering.
Let them suffer. She wants to suffer. Let her suffer. Let her suffer.
What are you doing in my house by this time of the night?
Nena, my love. You have to bring down your voice so you don't wake up your child. I just came to have a good time with you. You guy, because something.
Leave my house.
You say,
now!
yeah, Nena. Yeah, you know you don't have nerves for this. Huh? So you better just comply now before I use force.
You can leave my house.
You say, come on, John. Drop, come on! Ne. I beg you in the name of God, please, don't say no again this time. Come with me to my father's house. We have enough room to accommodate you and your daughter. Please. Here is no longer safe for you. You can't stay here any longer. Please.
No, Obi. We can't leave our house. There's nothing wrong with this place. This place is all right. The only problem we face here is Ikem. But I will figure out a way to handle him. I will.
You cannot figure out anything and you know it. Huh? Ikem is a very dangerous guy, dreaded by every single soul in this community. Ne, the only way you can be free from him is coming to stay under my roof. Please, you can't stay here again. It's not safe. Please.
Don't mind me. I decided to have like a little, take myself out to the park. Right? You know the lady red? That's a motherfucking girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm paid by the rules. I deserve some accolade. You know what I'm saying? I deserve some accolades. Some alcohol. Whatever you're telling me now, it doesn't sink because I'm so drunk right now. Okay. I just have to go and pay my bills. I'm sorry. I need your help.
Okay, what's it?
Sorry to bother you, okay? I lost my wallet. And sincerely, I don't know, I'm sure it's one of these boys in the park. Here, or I left it at home or something. Please, can you help me respond?
It's okay, no.
Please, so that I can offset my...
It's okay. Like how much do you need?
My bills, eh?
Like how much do you need?
It's just small money, like 1,600. Please. Huh? Thank you. Let me quickly run off and pay. Don't go anywhere. Okay? Thank you. You saved me.
Like you're drunk, like.
Yes. I decided to take myself out.
Okay.
I've been walking myself to stupor. So I decided to come out and have fun. You saved my life.
Okay.
You saved me from all embarrassments.
Okay.
You're a nice person.
Thank you.
I think I like you.
You're a cute guy.
Thank you. Can I?
Yeah. I never want to.
Digits.
Obinna, why is it that anywhere you see me, or even now and then you will come to my house and begin to talk about Nenna? Eh? Why? Look at now, I am going for a meeting and you have stopped me here to talk about Nenna. How is it my business, Obinna? Whatever is happening to Nenna now, she brought it to herself, not me.
Nah, I know. I know that she brought all those things upon herself. But what about the innocent little child? Show her some mercy and save her from all these troubles in life. Because
enough, Obinna. Enough. Let me warn you. Let this be the last time you will see me anywhere and begin to talk about Nenna. I don't care if the whole young men in this village molest her and her bastard daughter. It's not my business. It's their business. So, let this be the last time you will see me and begin to talk about her. I wouldn't be happy with you if you do that again, Obinna. Do you hear me?
You prostitute! You thief!
Excuse me?
I was with you! You stole my money and you stole my phone!
Will you shut up? Excuse me?
Are you telling me to shut up? I want everything now!
Damn! This is embarrassing!
Hey! I'm watching! It's okay.
Baby, this is embarrassing!
I know! Just keep quiet.
You know me from when?
No, please, stop, please. Fine, I'll
And please, sit back.
Okay, sit back. Yes, sit back.
Two.
Okay.
4.
Okay.
5.
Okay.
6.
All right.
7. 8.
All right.
You should be the thief here. You're collecting money
Hey!
from my man. You'll be like, I want to go out from here. I don't like it.
I'm sure.
I want to go out from here. I don't know. Look, baby, I swear to God, I don't know who that man is. I don't even know why he wants to spoil my good name for me. I don't get it.
It's okay.
I've not seen him before.
It's okay, dear. Okay? I understand. So you don't have to talk about it.
No, I have to talk about it. Do you know what that man did to me? That man laid some wealthy allegation on me. He called me a prostitute. He called me a thief.
Sweetheart, I said it's okay. We don't have to talk about it. Can't you see that man is mentally demented?
It's possible. It's possible.
You don't have to. You don't have to talk about
It's possible. It's really embarrassing.
Let it go, okay?
It's embarrassing.
Let it go, please. All right?
Dimba. Dimba bini. Wapa. So you. What been you? What been now you? You had the effrontery to confront me. Me, he came. He came on. He came, take your time. Take your time. I will beat you blue black here and now if you don't take your time. Hey! Let me warn you. You see that your younger brother Binna? If you have any value for him, if he is important to you in any way, you better go and warn him. Warn him to stay clear my lane. Let him stay away from anything that concerns me. Otherwise, I'll just kill him.
Ikem, the son of Orima. Did you just call me by my name? So you have no respect anymore.
Did you just call my mother's name? Meanwhile, go and warn that boy. Warn him to stay away from me. Otherwise, I will do worse than just calling Guinea Balfagon. Ask me, come and get away from here. Suppose did you just call my name? Nah, get out. Okay, one here. Come, one.
When you Allah kai I don't feel like when you Allah kai
Hello baby. I'm fine. I went to see a friend. Yeah. Okay. I love you. I'll be home soon. Okay. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.
Why as I close my mouth like that? Small picking like you as I close my mouth like that is very, very wrong. Wallahi. So first of all, who is that unfortunate woman that are calling you?
Stop, Alhaji. Of course you know he's very lucky to have someone like me as his girlfriend.
So no problem. To let me ask you something very important. Wallahi, I'm very, very confused. Keep your hand in one place. Wallahi. Your hand is doing tantantiri. The last time we were together, I didn't see my wristwatch, my agogo. I have searched for it everywhere. I can't find it.
What will I be doing with it? You lost a wristwatch or something?
I am very, very confused. Because I don't know if I wore the wristwatch that day or I didn't put it. What? No problem. As I buy another wristwatch, how much is the wristwatch? I like you. I'll pass that one. Come and kill her for me, oh.
I like you.
Come and kill her for me. Go.
Tell me about it.
It's taken from Matthew chapter 6, verse 25 to the end.
Speak out.
It's saying, therefore I tell you, do not be anxious about your life, what you shall eat or what you shall wear, now about your body, what you shall put on. Is life not better than food, and body more than clothing? Look at the birds of the earth, they are neither sow nor reap, nor gather into barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them all. Are you not of much worthy than they? And which of you, by being anxious, can put one cubit to his span of life? Even if I tell you, even King Solomon in all his glory was not answered aware like one of these. So why worry about what you wear or what you shall eat or what you shall put on? For God knows what the words and the word of God.
My daughter, you are doing well.
I'm so proud of you. Education is the key. Keep it up.
Thank you, Papa. Of course, I will not play with my future.
God, where are you? Where are you?
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry, baby. You are a very brilliant girl. And I just feel bad that I cannot give you the best things of life that you deserve. You deserve to go to school like other children. You deserve to wear fine clothes. You deserve to make a pretty hair. But I can't afford them, and I'm sorry. I am really sorry I'm failing you.
Don't worry, Mommy. Remember when you once told me that with God everything is possible. God knows what we are going through, and He will never forsake us.
Thank you for not feeling disappointed in Mommy.
I love you, Bob.
I love you too. Obin, are you telling me it is because of Nnenna that Ikem almost killed you today and also insulted me? Eh? What would have been your fate if that evil boy had stabbed you with that knife I saw him holding today? Eh? I have warned you to stay away from Nnenna. Stay away from Nnenna, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Sister, you and I know that Nnenna is a very good girl. Huh? I don't know the reason you want me to stay away from her.
Nnenna is all epidemic. She's an epidemic that will lead to your untimely death if you are not careful. Imagine what would have happened if Ikem had stabbed you with that knife.
He will not do anything.
Is that what you are thinking? You need to be there to see the way that boy was threatening me with knife on the road. That is why I'm passing the message to you. Stay away from Ikem. Stay away from Nnenna. I don't want to lose you.
I've heard you, but I know he will not do anything.
He will do what?
Not do anything.
Obin, I'm warning you. Stay away from Ikem. Stay away from that girl. Leave that girl.
Hey kid! What is wrong with you?
I'm so sorry, sir. Please don't be mad at me. I did notice your car was approaching. Please, I'm so sorry.
Are you alright? Are you okay? Did you hurt yourself when you fell down?
No, Mommy. No, Mommy. I'm fine. It was my fault.
God, where are you? Where are you?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Do you know how something?
No, it's okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Someone you know?
Who?
The lady we met. I saw the way you looked at her. Do you know her?
Something like that. Yes, something like that. Never mind. Let's go. This is my house.
My son. Welcome. We the beautiful maiden waiting.
Papa, she's a friend.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Nine.
No.
Let's sit. Papa, how are you?
Not bad. Not bad.
What kind of life is this? Udendo gini bunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiabawa mochimo ebekino. Arere jogo mobi obiabariko chimobi.
Don't even try to deny it. Don't even try to deny it at all. Because I have people around this village who has been seeing you in secret places. Even our son here saw you. He saw you with his two korokoro eyes.
Yes, so. Uncle, I saw them. You need to see how they were holding hands.
At the three corners. Did he hear you? He saw you. Nana, let me ask you. What good do you think you are following that boy will bring to you? What do you think you want to do to yourself? What do you think you want to be in this village? Nana.
Uncle, please. Ejike is a good man. He loves me. And I love him too.
What do you mean? Ejike is a good man. What do you know about mom? What do you know about mom? I'm asking you. Now let me tell you. Any day I see you and him around this village, Mechagi here that day. In fact, anything you see, you take. You want to disgrace us, I think. You want to disgrace us, you will see. Let me see you and you.
Why don't you want to play with me? Eh? And why are you keeping this unusual face?
There's a problem.
Share it with me now. That's why I'm here. Share it with me.
I have
not seen my period. Last month and this month.
Okay.
Judging from the way I'm feeling, I think I'm pregnant.
Huh? It's a joke, right? Come on, that's not funny. Stop.
I am not joking. How can I joke with something like this? I'm pregnant. I'm really pregnant.
You? Are you serious? Who's responsible?
Who else if not you? Have I been with another man aside you?
Nene. No. You don't know what you're saying. Check well. Let me advise you. You better go and remove that thing in your womb that you call a child in the name of your pregnant. If you don't know who is responsible. Huh? How? So,
What kind of life is this?
Hey, Chike. What are you saying?
What I'm saying is, you should go and remove the child, the pregnancy, if you don't know who is responsible. Even could allow you to advise. Right. We'll get to that. You and I would be happy the way we used to. Yeah, what that you're saying.
Hey, Chike. Papa. Are you telling to my face that you're not responsible for this pregnancy?
Papa, I am not. Huh? Nana here has been with countless number of boys and men in this village. Or Chichid, or Chidi Chikere, or Nathan, or Nicholas.
Hey, Chike. Chike, please now say the truth. Chike, say the truth. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, Chike. You know you're the only man I've been with. You know it, Chike.
I don't know. And this is where you lie. And you know if you swear to this, you will die. I'm telling you, it will kill you. Or you receive in a village. All this gallivanting, you are gallivanting, the total female, you want to pin it on me. It will not work for you.
Ejike.
Papa.
How many times did I call you?
2 times, Papa.
Please, if you know you are responsible for this pregnancy, you better tell me, let me know what to do. After all, I know your mess in this village that I am married. Let me know. Tell me.
Look at the way you have disgraced yourself. Look at the way you have made yourself. I warned you and you refused. I warned you. I told you to leave that boy and you said no. Now look at it. You are now a public disgrace. You have disgraced this family. Even if your father, your late father, rises from the grave now and tell me to leave you, I will not. I will not. Because you have disgraced all of us here. Anywhere you want to go and live, go there and live. I don't want to know. I don't want to see you again inside this compound. If I see you, I will kill you. I will kill you if I see you. Carry that thing in your stomach and go. Leave this compound. I don't want to see you here again. Because if I see you, I will kill you. I disown you from here now. From today, you are disowned. You are no more part of this family. Just leave.
Uncle, please. Uncle, please, please. I'm begging you, please.
I said start going. Start going. I will kill you. If I see you here again, I will kill you. Start going. Start going. Start going. Go. Go. Leave here.
What kind of life is this? Odindu
this one you were speaking of, Nena, I hope all is well.
All is well, Papa. Of course, all is well. It's just that I saw her with one beautiful and smart-looking kid today. Papa, could that be her daughter?
Of course. That's what the child she was pregnant with. The same child you denied responsibility of.
Yes. I can't believe she went ahead to have that baby. How has she been coping all these years? How does she cope?
It has been tough for her. She has experienced fire, looking after herself and the child. It had not been easy with her at all. I pity her really.
Oh my goodness.
Baby.
Yeah.
Your mood changed ever since we returned. What are you thinking about?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. It doesn't sound like nothing to me, baby. Besides, what was the meaning of the introduction you made earlier today? You introduced me to your dad as your friend. Just a friend. Baby, the agreement was that you're bringing me down here to introduce me to your dad as your fiancé. I mean, I don't get it.
Come on. That wasn't the right moment for that. Yes. You don't expect me to highlight from the car with you and introduce you to my father just like that as a woman I want to marry. We have to accord him some respect. Yes. The right moment would come and I would do the proper introduction.
Yes, you expect me to believe what you're saying right now, right? I should believe you.
Nena. So, Nena, you think you have found a protector in that boy? That small boy? That little boy? That one Banshee? Ekuke? That they call Obinna? You think you have found a protector in him? That you had the effrontery to resist me? Me, he can find boy. Look at Lele. Look at this up. Look at that. You had the effrontery, Nena, to resist me. Let me tell you, I will kill that boy. Maybe I will kill that boy and nothing will happen. And let me also tell you, you see that your house. If I'm coming to that place this night. This night. And if you are not afraid of life and death, if you don't know the difference between life and death, try nonsense. Even now, try nonsense.
Mazi.
For that innocent girl, I will abuse her.
Are you telling to my face that you're not responsible for this pregnancy?
Papa, I am not. Huh? Nana here has been with countless number of boys and men in this village. Eh? Or Chichid, or Chidi Chikere, or Nathan, or Nicholas.
Chike, please now, say the truth. Chike, say the truth, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, Chike. You know you're the only man I have been with. You know it, Chike.
I don't know. And this is where you lie. And you know if you swear to this, you will die. I'm telling you, it will kill you. Eh? Or if you receive any in Nigerian village. All this gallivanting, you are gallivanting, the total female, you want to pin it on me. It will not work for you.
Ejike.
Papa.
How many times did I call you?
2 times, Papa.
Please, if you know you are responsible for this pregnancy, you better tell me, let me know what to do. After all, I know your mess in this village that I am married. Let me know. Tell me.
Look at the way you have disgraced yourself. Look at the way you have made yourself. I warned you and you refused. I warned you. I told you to leave that boy and you said no. Now look at it. You are now a public disgrace. You have disgraced this family. Even if your father, your late father, rises from the grave now and tell me to leave you, I will not. I will not. Because you have disgraced all of us here. Anywhere you want to go and live, go there and live. I don't want to know. I don't want to see you again inside this compound. If I see you, I will kill you. I will kill you if I see you. Carry that thing in your stomach and go. Leave this compound. I don't want to see you here again. Because if I see you, I will kill you. I disown you from here now. From today, you are disowned. You are no more part of this family. Just leave.
Uncle, please. Uncle, please, I'm begging you, please.
I said start going. Start going. I will kill you. If I see you here again, I will kill you. Start going. Start going. Start going. Go. Go. Leave here.
What kind of life is this? Odendo gene bunka. Oh God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Please come to my aid. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino.
This one you were speaking of, Nena, I hope all is well.
All is well, Papa. Of course, all is well. It's just that I saw her with one beautiful and smart-looking kid today. Papa, could that be her daughter?
Of course. That's what the child she was pregnant with. The same child you denied responsibility of.
Goodness. I can't believe she went ahead to have that baby. How has she been coping all these years? How does she cope?
It had been tough for her. She has experienced fire, looking after herself and the child. It had not been easy with her at all. I pity her really.
Oh my goodness.
Baby.
Yeah.
Your mood changed ever since we returned. What are you thinking about?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. It doesn't sound like nothing to me, baby. Besides, what was the meaning of the introduction you made earlier today? You introduced me to your dad as your friend. Just a friend. Baby, the agreement was that you bringing me down here to introduce me to your dad as your fiancé. I mean, I don't get it.
Come on. That wasn't the right moment for that. Yes. You don't expect me to highlight from the car with you and introduce you to my father just like that as a woman I want to marry. We have to accord him some respect. Yes, the right moment will come and I will do the proper introduction.
Yes, you expect me to believe what you're saying right now, right? I should believe you.
Nena. So, Nena, you think you have found a protector in that boy? That small boy, that little boy, that one Banshee, a cookie that they call Obinna. You think you have found a protector in him? That you had the effrontery to resist me. Me, he came fine boy. Look at Lele. Look at this up. Look at that. You had the effrontery Nena to resist me. Let me tell you, I will kill that boy. I will kill that boy and nothing will happen. And let me also tell you, you see that your house, if you up where began, I'm coming to that place this night. I'll be man this night. And if you are not afraid of life and death, if you don't know the difference between life and death, try nonsense. Even now, try nonsense.
Mazi.
Rape you. Rape that man. For that innocent girl, I will abuse her. Consuming that.
What kind of life is this? Udendo ginibunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino.
What is it? Nena! Okay, you. So, after carrying yourself as a queen in this village, you had the cause to allow Ejike Nwobansi to sleep with you, got you pregnant, and discard you like a common criminal, a common villager, a common nothing. Giwa! Nena. Nena, let me ask you, how many years did I toast you? How many years can you Mbadoweki? How many years? Because I just left for man of war how many months? Man of war training how many months? Ejike just use you anyhow and throw you away. Ibu disappointment to yourself, to your entire community, to your entire village, to your entire self, to your entire family.
Listen to me. Ikem, stay away from me. Yes, sir. Stay out of my path. Habmaka. Stay away from me, oh.
Did you tell Ejike the same thing? Did you tell Ejike the same thing? Did you tell Ejike to stay away from you when he was disgracing you, sleeping with you, and throwing you anywhere he likes? Did you tell him the same thing? Oh, you got my turn now. Oh, you got my turn. If it's and for that reason, for you allowing him to use you anyhow and dump you, I will do my own right here. If you never know, I will do my own. You can give me my own right here and right now. Since all God can bread in Eke, all God can bread. I am my own. I am my own now. Nihangwake, Onyala. Come, he got you pregnant of one baby. You will make it twins. Maybe now, Malife. Come on, Biaka, I want you also. Somebody help me! Get me alone! Get me!
Why are you treating me like this? It's very unfair of you. Life is hard for me. And HK, you do not care at all. When it is you, you know it is you that is responsible for my pregnancy. You keep denying and subjecting me to this type of hardship. This humiliation, this shame. HK, why? Why?
You're still saying this? Eh? After it has been confirmed that Ikem raped you. Of course, that is if it wasn't a mutual agreement between the two of you. You're not coming here to tell me you and I know that. Listen, Nenna, I am not going to take responsibility for this thing you call pregnancy. Period. Nenna.
Where are you? God, where are you?
Go!
Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Oh, my what you say remind God, where are you? Ebekange. Where are you? Onyeka Ebekino. Onyeka enyere maka n'iju amo. Ewu iju amo. Elu erughị maka, ala erughị maka, ejighị m nwa maka. I'm confused. Who can tell me what to do? Chimo madata, misagimo, obonye gasa. Anyam mire de umobi, onwe onye na samo.
Nana, what is the problem? Talk to me. You look troubled. Why am I? It's me, Obina. Please. Tell me what is troubling you. Eh?
Ikem has threatened to visit us tonight. To force himself on me. He further warned that if I ever attempt to resist him, he will rape not only me, but my daughter also.
What? Ikem said that?
What did you just say? He came threatened to do what? Chelubudu. Wait. I hope you're not planning to do anything stupid.
I have to save her.
Save who? Don't even think of it. Don't even dream. I have warned you several times to stay away from this girl. This girl will lead you to your early grave. What is it about that girl that you cannot let go? Everybody knows that this guy is very dangerous, and you want to kill yourself because of that girl. Manu, go ahead. Go ahead and kill yourself.
I heard you came back after being away for many years, and I decided to come see you. I know your story with Nnenna, and whether you like it or not, that child is your daughter. Are you here to judge? I'm only here to inform you that Nnenna and her child are in danger. I cannot do much to help them, but I know that you are in the better position to stop Ikem. Of course, that is if you want to. You can use the police or even the military. I know you have the resources.
Baby, I'm ready. Tell what is the lady of this land, shall we?
Of course. As you can see, I'm about to show my girl around the village.
What kind of life is this? Udendo kinibuka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you?
Kake. I confirm. Oh, guy! Who no dey here? Eh?
Who dey there?
Nena no dey here.
Where they come there now? But they don't have any bit.
Nena won't play me. You won't play me, Nena. Guy, they know they far. Go search for them.
It appears you want to go somewhere.
No, of course not.
Okay, then come to the bed now. You know we are going to travel back to the city tomorrow. You know you have enough sleep. Okay?
Sister, open this door! Open this door!
I will not open it. Stay, remain there. You are not going anywhere. Since you don't want to listen to me,
I will break this door!
I will not let you kill yourself. You are going to remain there. You are not going out. You are not going anywhere.
What is the meaning of this? You want me to break this door? I will break it all! Oh! What is the meaning of this? Sister, I will break this door!
Nai, I came to find out if Nenna and her child are here. I don't know.
Nenna and her child. Did you bring them here?
No, I did not bring them here, but they are missing. I couldn't find them, so I decided to come and check if they are here.
You are looking for them, and you feel the best place to come and look for them is in my compound.
I know it's not like that.
Obinna,
they are missing.
how many times have I told you that I will not bring them back to this compound?
I couldn't find them.
You couldn't find them, and you woke me up this night to come and look for them in my compound. Eh? You woke me up to come and look for them in my compound. Mazuzua, ega wona Nenna. Nenna gebugi. Omre na megi mishi. Anu mpama. Ega wona Nenna. Okwa Nenna gebugi. Ishi ga banye. Look at this idiot.
kind of life is this? Udendo ginibunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiakwawamo. Chimo. Ebekino. Arere jogobobi. Obiakware.
Oyisi. What happened? No. I lost Nena. Hey, I was right behind her. I was chasing her right behind her. The next thing, yeah, she ran into the dark and I couldn't find her again. When you see, you did not act like the commander. No. Was it Kwamua? When you see, the worst even happened. Eh? What is the worst just happened? Nena's child is dead. Eh? They say
a car hit her and she died.
What do you mean by a car just knocked her down? What kind of a talk is that? Did I ask you to go and kill her?
Oh, you see, it's not my fault. I was not the one that pushed her to the car. She just rushed out from the bush, entering the road. The car hit her and she died. I confirmed it.
Hi. Okay, what kind of a thing is this? I just said grab her, just catch her. When you see the car coming, why didn't you just stop?
Oh, you see, it's not my fault.
Hi. Take me to that place.
I'm confused. Who can tell me what to do?
Nana! Nana!
Nana! What kind of life is this? Odendo gene bunka. Oh God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Please come to my aid. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. Oh, God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. What kind of life is this? Odendo gini bunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebeki.
Ifama! Is Ifama here? Ifama!
No!
God,
she's
where
not
are
here.
you?
Where have you been?
Ifama! Ifama!
Nana!
Hey! He came up one more! He came up one more!
What is it?
He came was here! He was here! We ran! We ran into the bushes. Now I can't find my daughter! I can't find Ifama! I can't find it! Ifama! 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 Ifama!
Onyisi, what are we going to do now? See, the kid is dead and we are going to be held responsible for it. I know Nena, her mother, does not have anybody that will fight for her, but not in this case of her daughter. Meanwhile, the AGK that is believed to be her father is very rich and he's in town now. Means I don't want to go to prison again. Remember, I just came back from the prison. Shut up! Just shut up. Means I know what I'm trying to say.
Shut up there! Just shut up and let me think.
God,
Nena's daughter is missing.
Huh?
Yes. I came to find out if she's here.
Nena's daughter? Nena's daughter is not here.
She's not here.
She's not here. I mean, like, what happened?
What do you know?
My daughter? Where is my daughter? Tell him to bring my daughter! Bring my daughter!
I'm just expecting you. I'm just expecting you. I'm expecting you. I know, but
you have been sorry, not that.
What are you doing?
You have that daughter.
What kind of life is this? Udendo gini bunka. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you?
No. Please. Stop crying. Huh? See, I promise you, I will do everything within my power to find your daughter and bring her back to you.
Please. Stop crying.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Me. Please. Stop. Oh? Oh?
Where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, my what you say remind God, where are you? Where are you? Onyeka ebekino. Onyeka enyere maka n'iju amo. Ewu iju amo. Elu erughị maka, ala erughị maka, ejighị nwa maka. I'm confused. What can tell me what to do? Shimo madata, misanimo, onyegasa. Anyamire de wumobi, onwe na samo, koje wunye na si.
You mean the girl that you told me some time ago? I was surprised.
My father told me all she went through. All the suffering. All the trauma she went through all these years. You need to see this girl. You need to see this kid. Beautiful girl. I was busy admiring her. I was like, who owns this child? Whose daughter is this? From nowhere, she just busted out to identify the girl as her daughter. From that moment, my heartbeat stopped. I have been so troubled since then. I even found it difficult to leave the village without seeing them again.
Are you kidding me? Huh? Are you okay? Remember you once told me how you abandoned this girl in the village after impregnating her? Huh? So, what do you tell them? Huh? Don't tell me that you're regretting now.
I don't know how I feel right now. I don't know.
Listen, okay? You have to forget about her. However, you have to forget about her. Okay? You have a woman now, so you have to move on. You have to move on. Forget about her.
Ifeoma! 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 Ifeoma!
Ifeoma! Ifeoma!
What kind of life is this?
There is no sign of her, but not to worry. I still have people looking out for her, and I will join them from here. Ned, trust me when I say she is fine wherever she is.
Ifeoma is dead. My daughter is dead. Ifeoma is dead. I saw her in my dream. Ifeoma!
Nana! Nana!
Where are you?
Darling, you have gone through a lot since last night. But I thank God for sparing your life and that of the girl. Johnson is here with me to take care of the girl. I want you to go home and refresh. Whatever it will take to take care of the girl, I promise you that I will provide it.
Oh, thank you.
Yes? Obinna.
Okedi disclosed to someone that she was knocked down by a vehicle when he was chasing her.
Bring my daughter back to me. Have mercy on me, please. Have mercy on me. I beg you, God. Have mercy. Have mercy on me.
The young girl is okay now. And she's responding to treatment.
Oh, may God be praised.
Yeah, she will soon be discharged.
Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you. Have a nice
Of course. You're really funny. Oh yeah, we came back from his village last night. Oh, of course you should know I don't deal with poor guys. He's a rich dude, yeah. He has proposed and I've accepted.
Just call me Cleopatra. I don't give a damn, I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it bigger. My name is Spain. I believe in making people.
Oh, but girlfriend, I have a little problem right now. There's a girl that I saw this time we went to their village. Yes, I think she's trying to come back to his life. Anyway, I will deal with it. It's not going to be an issue. Trust me. Okay. Okay. I'll see you later then. Funny girl. Take care. Bye-bye. Baby girl.
No, ma. I'm not going. I'm not going inside without seeing my mother.
Wow. What a kid. Oh, honey, we promised to take you to your mother tomorrow. But the place you mentioned is too far away from here. And we can't get there today. Please, you have to trust us. We mean no harm to you. Oh, let's go inside.
We're your friends. We can't harm you. Daddy bought you a beautiful dress.
Oh, yes.
So you wear it tomorrow and we'll take it to your mother. Right? Let's go inside.
All right.
She looks so beautiful.
She's very beautiful.
Oh, come.
All right, go to your room, okay? I'll talk to you later.
Go inside. Play with your toys, okay?
My love, do you know that of all the kids that contested, none matched her beauty and intelligence? I never knew she's this beautiful until she took a shower. And then she wore this beautiful dress that you got for her. If you ask me, I think she's the perfect face of what we need.
Really? Yes. Darling, you know that the kid is an uncivilized girl raised in a remote village. I don't think she's the correct personality for our brand.
Uncivilized? Yes. But honey, this kid is smart. She's intelligent and beautiful. She's the perfect definition of what we've been looking for. I mean, look at her skin, so flawless. Civilization comes with time and opportunity. And I think we should give her that opportunity. And trust me, with time, she will metamorphose to that civilized kid that you need. I just feel it in my spirit that we should change someone's life for good. And I think this kid came into our life for a purpose, for this reason.
Well, if you think that she's the best for our brand, so shall it be.
She's the best, trust me.
All right.
Who is here? Mommy, I'm back. Mommy. Who is here? Mommy. Who is here? Mommy, I'm back. Where is it? I don't know. Maybe those wicked uncle have chased her away. Mommy.
He changed.
One Onisi, Commander in Chief. If you enter my mind now, you see I see they sweet me like person will collect 1 packet of sugar. Now that I'm sure that small girl Ifeoma is not dead, are they happy? I be like say they carry 2 packets of sugar, come put for inside my mind. Guys, shut up, I beg. If you close mouth, just do talk. You get what I want reason give you. It be like say time don't reach when I go take am easy with that girl. You see that Nena? Time don't reach when I go take am easy with her. As that in daughter no die now, as if Oma still alive. Make her just calm down. Full arm, small man know whether I feel marry that girl. How you see her? Oh, you see my hand though. Now this your chest, way strong pass like your own. Now you take one take fall in love now. No problem now. I do your back. Any way you want them, I go support you. Joy.
Confirm. Now my guy is he.
To.
Same blood. You don't understand.
Take am.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
By the grace of God, I have a large cosmetics company. Don't know if you've heard about it.
Oh dear, it's a famous company. We produce beautiful cosmetics. And recently we delve into kiddie skin care products.
The thing is, we've been looking for the right kid who has the right skin for our new product, who by extension becomes the country's brand ambassador. We conducted a lot of auditions, but unfortunately we could not find the right kid for our new product until we found this beautiful daughter of yours.
And if we have your permission and her consent, we'll just go ahead and sign the agreement. It's a 5 million naira contract for 2 years, a well-furnished 2-bedroom flat, and a wardrobe allowance. What? 5 million naira? She's perfectly what we want.
Are you serious?
Yes.
We are very serious.
Where there? You guys there? Okay, nobody there. These people are not here. No. I can't see anybody here. Huh? I could go round. They can't get our go. They have gone now. That's not the go.
I've been wondering. Do you know the whereabouts of Nena?
What is it? Ikem?
I'm just trying to know if you know the Nena's whereabouts, her new address, or anywhere she stays now. Where is she? I've been looking for her.
And what do you intend to do with Nena's new address?
Meaning? Come on. Meaning what? Hey, no go do pass yourself. Oh. You no go over here, no, because I just calm down, they talk nonsense. Come on, tell me what you are the talk.
Ikem, listen to me. I don't want to harm you. Listen. Don't come anywhere close to me. Because if you do, I will harm you. And I don't want to do it.
Hey! Biko kwano. Hey! Chere, oke nkita mwa ke na agba ụja. Chere, nkita mwa ke na agba ụja. Come, yeah, come on, name the address, you Chris.
What the okay, you see because I've been keeping quiet. Hey. Listen, if you come anywhere close to me, I will harm you, like I said.
Come on there.
Get out.
Yeah, I'm going about, not idiot. Come on, get away. If I go for that, your address, you give it to me. Idiot. I'm not in the mood to fight this idiot. Manuche, get it there. Hey! Get out! What the hell? What is that?
He changed my world, gave me new hope, picked me from dust, enlarged my coast. I'm glad God lives, I'm glad He loves me. I am with you because He's with me.
But not to worry, I will take you guys to the school I register my children before they move to America. That school will give you the perfect education you want for her.
Yes. Honestly, madam, I cannot thank you enough. I always wanted to give my child the best education a child deserves, but I never had the resources for it. But now, thanks to you and your husband, she can go to school. And my heart is full. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Just run along.
I'll be on my way.
All right, darling. See you soon. Take care of her for me. And take good care of yourself.
I will.
All right. Bye-bye. Bye.
Sorry, I run into an old friend. Check out this.
What? What could this?
The face is familiar, right?
Yeah.
Where did you get this?
From the supermarket.
This is her! I mean, this is my... Nena's daughter.
It's not possible, baby. The girl we saw in the village, right?
Yes!
It's not possible. Check out that picture. Look at the picture very well. Compare that face with the girl we saw in the village. They are very, very different. It's not possible. They cannot be the same person.
It's not possible. You have to think again, please. It's not possible. It's not possible because everywhere, I saw this everywhere in the supermarket. Even
if you see the way things are very expensive in the market today. The morning I went to market with, I couldn't buy anything tangible. I don't know what is becoming.
Sister! Sister!
What is it?
Look at Ifeoma.
Hey! Is this not Ifeoma?
Oh, Ekene Dilichuku. God has really changed their lives, so.
Oh, this is a criminal. Fine, beautiful girl.
Hello?
Ogi.
Nena. I am fine, though. We are trying here. How are you and my baby over there?
She's fine too.
Yeah. I am missing you people, oh.
Okay. If you miss us like you say you do, why don't you pay us a visit in the city?
Eh? You want me to come to the city and visit you people?
Yes. Yes, we'd love to see you. And I'll send the address too.
Okay, you will send the address.
Yes, I'll equally send some money to you so you can buy a few things that you might need.
Chill. Nena, you said you will send money to me for me to buy clothes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
All right, we look forward to seeing you. Oh, we're looking forward to seeing you already.
Okay, bye-bye.
I told you!
Wait, let me try the cream now. Let me test it. So, wait now. This God is special. So, hey, glory be to God. Very soon now you will follow him.
I will follow my brother.
I will follow you too.
Oh, you see, I tell you, I've been telling you, you are doubting me. Neya, this is her. Ifeoma, the daughter of Nena. Look well now.
This is somebody that looks exactly as Ifeoma. It can be her. Onye nyere our coat. Onye anyị nọ na ncha. If this girl must be in a soap, if Ifeoma must be in a soap, it must be in chankota. It can be this kind of soap.
They have made it big in the city. They have made it big. I heard it from the right source.
Onyisi, the news is everywhere. She has made it big in the city. Hey! If woman come here, you know, then I'm making Nena my wife immediately. Because even nature, however you want it, I will support you. Do you know how much they say this one? Nah, yeah.
You're welcome, sir. Please come inside. Let me offer you something.
Oh, no, brother. Thank you very much. Seeing your beautiful face is already enough for me. My wife told me about all the arrangement concerning your daughter's education. I like it, but I fear that it will involve a whole lot of money. You may spend all the cash before you know it. That is why I want to take full responsibility for your daughter's education and your welfare.
Sir, you don't have to do that at all.
Oh, come on. You people are my direct responsibility. Your daughter is not just the company's ambassador. She is like a daughter to me. That is why I want to take full responsibility for her education, your feeding and house rent.
Does Madame know about this arrangement?
Doesn't need to know. Leave that between us. We know how to sort it out.
I'm sorry, sir. I have to decline on that offer.
But why? Is that because you fear that there's an ulterior motive attached to it? Don't get the wrong impression. I am not that type of man.
He changed my world, gave me new hope, picked me from dust, enlarged my coast. I'm glad God lives. I'm glad He loves me. I am renewed because He's with me.
Nena. Nena. No, sir, this is the place, sir. This place? Yes. Okay. Thank you very much. Well done. I'm very grateful.
Ejike, stop this car! Ejike, stop this car! I demand an explanation of that your reaction when you saw that village girl.
What reaction are you talking about?
Do not just give me that. Don't even go there. What are you talking about? You've been pretending all this while that you don't have anything to do with this girl. But each time you say her, your heart be stopped. So what are you talking about? You calling me a fool or something?
Chloe. I never pretended not to know Nena.
Okay.
The truth is that we had
Yeah, history. That is what it is. We have history together. That is it.
History. It doesn't look like a history to me. It doesn't look that way to me.
Let us not fight over this. It is not worth it.
Ejike, listen to me. Do not give me reason to be jealous. You will so hate me if I am jealous. Please, do not give me reason to be jealous. You can move.
Honestly, I am so happy for you. Nay, God truly works in a mysterious way.
Indeed. His ways are not the ways of man. Look at my life. If anybody had told me by this time last month that this would be my life, I would never have believed it. God is good.
Of course he is.
You're welcome again.
Thank you.
So how is everybody at home?
We are all good. My sister sends her regards. Yes. And she's so happy for you people. Yes, she is.
You would not believe who I ran into the other day.
Who?
Ejike. Ejike stays in this city. I never knew. It really is a small world.
So, what is going to happen now? Did you people talk? I mean, are you getting back?
Getting back with who? Obina, if there's a man I should be moving on with, don't you think that man should be you?
Maybe. Is everything alright?
This is all you need to know about her. Okay? I'm sure this will help you find her. Now listen. Please, do whatever you can to make sure you find out where she stays and get back to me. Okay? Alright. Thank you so much.
Nana, why didn't you reply to my text last night?
I'm sorry, but I did not expect to get that type of message from you. And so I didn't know what to reply.
Well, I am sorry for the text I sent you, but that's exactly how I feel. Ever since I set my eyes on you, I have not been able to control my feelings. I fought hard to conquer it, but I couldn't. Please, just say yes. And I promise to make you the happiest woman on earth.
Sir, honestly, I'm thankful for everything you have done for my daughter and I, but I have a man I intend to marry. I'm here, please.
Nice escape move, isn't it?
How do you mean?
You know what I'm talking about. And the man bought that. Don't you think so?
So you honestly believe that was an act? What do you really take me for? Is it that you can't see through me? Obi, I know what you feel for me. Even though you're afraid to admit it. What I feel for you is no different. What I'm wondering is, how long are we going to continue without expressing it?
You should be ashamed of yourself. Chief, you should be ashamed of yourself. So you're having an affair with Nena. Hey, God. You will never succeed. You will never, Chief. I saw the shock on your face. You were very shocked when you saw me. I am going to deal with that girl.
This is false accusation. You know I don't like it. I just went to see a business partner who lives in the estate. I didn't go to her flat. So what are you insinuating?
You want me to believe that? You want me to believe that? I will never believe that. I am going to deal with that girl. You want to bring her inside this house as a second wife. That is your plan. Oban walk. I am going to deal with her. I will deal with her. Tell her. Rubbish.
Sister.
Are you back?
I'm back.
When did you come back?
Just this afternoon.
Oh, you're welcome. So how was your trip?
It was fine.
I hope Nena and the beautiful daughter, they are doing well.
They are very, very, very fine.
We thank God. We thank God.
Sister, guess what?
Guess? I am not good in that. What is it? Yeah, this one that you are laughing. It's like you have good news, so.
Yes, so I have a good news.
Please tell me. What is the news?
Nena and I have agreed to get married.
Are you serious? Really? The two of you are getting married?
Yes.
Oh, this is good news, so. Oh, Bina. Chase this girl. Hey. Well, I like your spirit anyway.
Thank you.
I went to the market. Let me fix something for you.
Okay, let me see if I.
Okay.
Oh, guess who I saw today?
Okay. Who did you see?
Huh? Obilo Nwapa.
He returned from the city, and I just confirmed that he went to see Nena and her child. It's a lie. My own Nena. So, Obina knows the whereabouts of Nena all this while. Watch it, I told that. No need Ikechua, no need Ikechua.
How in the name of God did you find us here?
I heard the good news. As a matter of fact, I saw the product myself.
Wow, this is awesome. You remember, way back, those days in the village, you and I, we could
get out.
Don't do this. Please. Don't go about. Don't just do this.
Out.
Okay, I understand. But we can work out something. We can make this work, okay? Please, just let bygone be bygone, okay?
This is...
He changed my world, gave me new hope, picked me from dust.
Ikem, what are you doing in my compound? Huh? What are you doing here?
Chillax. This is not the way to welcome a friend. Come down. Meanwhile, I just came to collect Nena's new address. So funny. So funny. Ikem, are you alright? Is your Kwagema? Okay, wait. What makes you believe that I will give you that address if I have it?
Because I will force you.
You?
Yes.
You will force me.
I will force you, and I believe you don't have the power to match me. So you better give me, because I have money walk. I don't want to get Biko.
Yeah, what are you doing in my compound? What do you want? This is my compound, so leave before I do something stupid.
Ezinne, calm down, calm down.
I came to collect something from this your younger brother.
Obinna, are you holding anything that belongs to him?
I do not. He's just ranting. Eh? Sister, imagine this boy. Imagine this boy asking me to give him Nena's city home address. Can you imagine that?
Ikem, what do you want the address for? Oh, you want to go to the city and start tormenting that poor innocent girl and her child?
It is none of your business. And I wonder when you started being so caring. See, I advise you come this your buga cavity before I can tower the oku. Becomes your case.
Hello. Makare don't use vibrate.
Ikem, you are still calling me by my name, even in my compound. You are insulting me. Now leave.
Okay.
Get this boy out of this compound. I said leave. This is my compound. Leave.
This stupid though. Don't use vibration at time. Get out. Vibration at time.
Leave.
Nonsense. Obinna, you have migrated to a cow. But I promise you, I will rotate you into a corn beef. Me, I will rotate you into a corn beef.
Leave, go!
Normal corn beef. Normal corn beef. Get out of this compound!
Don't come to my compound and start insulting me! Nonsense!
You ingrates! My goodness, how can people be so heartless and wicked? Nena, after all I did for you and your daughter, the best way to show me gratitude is by sleeping with my husband.
Please calm down. It's not as you think.
Oh my goodness, who is this liar? Don't even dare. Don't lie to me. Why didn't I see this coming? Why didn't I see who you really are? How can you do this to me, Nena?
Madam, please, calm down. I am not having an affair with your husband. He's the one that has been coming up onto me and I have refused to give in.
You want me to believe that? You want me to believe that? I'm going to deal with you. Nana, I will so deal with you that you will go back to the being that you come from. I will show you who I am. You think you can come into my home and destroy my home? You can't. I'll get back to you.
I'm glad you remembered my face.
What are you doing here?
How well do you love your daughter?
Excuse me?
I just asked you a question. How well do you love your daughter?
What are you talking about?
Well, I want to tell you this. AJK is my man. We are engaged and we are about to get married. I don't even know. You keep on reoccurring everywhere. The last time I saw you, you were a wretched woman. And here you are, a city wannabe. My goodness. I don't know your next plan. But whatever it is, stay clear of my man. X. You won't see me coming.
I'm Cleopatra. Just call me Cleopatra. I don't give a damn, I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it bigger. My name is Spain. I believe in making people cry. My name is Patra.
Please.
What do you want? Ejike, why won't you leave me alone? You are the same person that vehemently denied me years ago. You said you didn't know me. All of a sudden, you're all over me. What do you really want?
Yes. But that was an action I regret even till now.
Really? Why? Is it because you thought I would die with the pregnancy? Or that the child in my womb would die? Or because you didn't think the child will amount to anything today? Which one?
Not at all. I was trying to reconcile with you even before now. Please just
stay away from me. You hear me? Oh. Tell the woman to please return the jewelry she stole from my house yesterday.
Where is the bracelet you stole from Nena's house?
What nonsense are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Oh, don't give me that pretentious look! I also ran into a man who claimed you stole his wallet after you collided into him in a 5-star restaurant last night.
Baby, stop! Stop it!
Okay? Stop! I should stop! You are not a thief. But anywhere you show your face, anywhere you enter, things get missing. Things disappear. Who are you?
Baby, just stop it, okay? Who do you take me for? I don't get it. Why are you shouting at me like this?
I have no idea of the person I'm even having a relationship with. Who are you, girl?
It's alright, baby, calm down. Calm down, okay? I am the girl you fell in love with. I am the girl you proposed marriage to. I am your fiancé. Calm down.
All I care is better return those things you took. The bracelets and the wallet. If not, Cleo, if not, you will see the other side of me.
Baby! All this is happening because of that name of a girl, right?
Let me tell you something. You see today, Ifuta, it is either you give me Nena's address or if they are born. Right here, right now. I don't have Nena's new address. I have told you before. What is it? It's again. What is it? You don't have it. Somebody help! Somebody help!
Nena, you shouldn't be here now.
Why?
My wife is in there.
I have nothing to hide from your wife. You're the one that has something to hide.
Please lower your voice. I don't want her to overhear what we are saying. Huh? Please.
Well, I have come to clarify things because there seems to be a misunderstanding. Your wife thinks I'm having an affair with you, which I am not. I'm not having an affair with you. She's so angry with me, she even went ahead to threaten me.
Please just go. I will explain that to her later. Huh?
Sir, you and your wife have been very kind to my daughter and I. And we owe you people nothing but absolute gratitude. There is no way I will condescend so low as to cause pain and heartbreak to a family like yours that have been so good to us. A family that have lived happily all these years. Not me, I am not that type of person.
I understand. Huh? Trust me, I do. Huh? Please, say no more. And it's a promise that I will never bother you again. Hmm? Please, I will try as much as possible to rectify things with my wife.
I will be counting on you to do that.
I said number 3 arrow Shugu Street.
Okay. Number what? Number... I think I should be around there.
Well, let's tell you, this thing is very, very simple, man. Why are you behaving like this? Just come here for life. Since I've been there waiting for you, why would you say you don't know the place? Who are we?
Just call me Cleopatra.
Cleopatra?
I'm
Cleopatra.
Just call me Cleopatra. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I believe in hitting it.
Where is my who?
My name is Spain. I believe in making people cry. My name is Patra.
Kai, my money. Kai, na kudi na. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadu Rasulullah. Kai, wayo. Kai, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadu Rasulullah. Wayo. Hello?
Just call me Cleopatra.
Hello?
I'm Cleopatra.
Talk to me, man. What's the problem? Hello?
Just call me Cleopatra. I don't give a damn. I don't.
What's the problem?
Sorry to bother you. Do you know that car that just sped past?
Kai, Wale, I don't know anybody. I did not see anything like a car. Wale, Chala, stop confusing me, man.
Do you know this girl? This girl? La ilaha illallah! Muhammadu Masubilai. Kai! This Nyariya! Wallahi Talai, I know her very, very well. This guy is a very big criminal, Wallahi. Kai! She's the one that just sped past. She saw you when you were coming out and rushed in and sped past. Kacha Allah, Wallahi Talai, let me tell you. This guy is a professional Kwanangida. Wallahi Talai. Very big criminal, Wallahi. She has stolen all my property, Wallahi. You know her.
He changed my world, gave me new hope, picked me from dust, and launched my
Ify, you know you don't have to study all the time. You can catch a break. Please.
5 minutes more, Mom. I'll be through with it soon. Please.
5 minutes. I'm waiting.
Mom.
Yes.
What about Uncle Bina? When you come and see us again?
Are you missing him already?
Yes. He's really a nice man. I want him to stay with us every day.
Aww. Okay. I think your wishes might just come to pass. How do you see the idea of having Uncle Obinna as your daddy?
Really?
Yes.
That would be great. I'll love it.
Look at your face. We'll see. Ah, look at that. Uncle Obinna's sister. Hello, Auntie Zine. Hello? Auntie, are you alright? What happened to your voice? Are you crying? Oh, Guinea. What? What? Oh, be nice. This is a joke. This is a joke. Auntie, what are you saying? No, 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 no! No!
My darling wife, I am sorry for the disaffection caused by my desire to have an affair with Nena. I tried as much as possible to woo her to my side, but it didn't work. You were right in your suspicions concerning the affair. I am sorry for the whole pains I caused you because of this problem. But I hereby promise that such a thing will never happen again. I still dearly love you. You are 1 in a million to me.
It's okay, my husband. I also want to say that I'm sorry, my husband. I think I overreacted. I later found out the truth about everything. Please forgive me.
Oh dear.
God, where are you? Where are you? God, where are you? Where are you? God, where are you?
It's okay.
Where are you?
It's okay.
onye kam gakoro chemo matara masenye maka obi eterigo
ebekere na na kwa
shut up.
Don't get an inch close to me. If you do, I will stab her to death.
No, please, spare my child, please, I beg.
I told you to stay away from my man, but you wouldn't listen. Now, because of you, he called it quit. I will stab you to death.
Hey! Pretty time.
What is this?
Angel, please come over here! Please go to your room and open the door, please!
Yo, police! Catch up with her! Catch up with her! I've told you that the Tinanda politic one day for the one of our leg. You are a very big criminal. Police! Catch up! Move it!
So you're behind this? You think you can use me and dump me the way you used her and dumped her? If I must go down, you two must go down with me. It's a promise.
Hey, police! What are you watching for? Arrest the police!
I hope you guys are alright. We're fine now. Thank you. My angel, I hope you're fine. I hope they didn't hurt you.
No, I'm okay, ma.
Nina, I'm very sorry about everything. I think I just misunderstood the whole thing.
It's okay, madam. I don't hold a grudge against you. It's fine.
So finally we have him. And I'm assuring you all that the law will take its full course. Okay.
It shall never be well with you. You will rot in jail. Idiot.
God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiamawama. God, where are you? Where are you? Ebekino. God, where are you? Where are you? Obiamawama. Chimo. Ebekino. Arere jogomobi, obiambarigo, chimobi. Onye kam gakoro, chemo matara masenye maka. Obi eterigo, onwe isi onye nji aka, bianu. Chimo, where are you? Ewo. What kind of life is this? Udendo gini bunka. God, where are you? Where are Watara